Hi and welcome to another video. Long time no see, I know, but in the meantime I was building this beautiful workshop. If you follow me, I will show you everything I built step by step with a little bit of fun. Take a look. Now, this is the place where everything began. I brought the whole material from the local store and decided to put it all in the middle of my working place. Yeah, was a good idea. Then I called a bunch of friends, and since I have no friends, I decided to clone myself because it's quite of sad if I'm doing all this work alone. The most difficult job is putting the ceiling profiles in place and leveling everything with the laser. The bottom part is manageable, it's not that hard, but make sure everything is straight so you don't have any tilted walls at the end. Here you can see me cut the standing profiles individually. This is because the floor is tilted, so the water would find its way to the drain. At this point it's just cutting the profiles at the right length and putting them in 60 centimeter distance all along the wall. Usually there is a separate frame system you could buy and just place it in this whole system and you have a door. But my door is a little bit bigger than usually the 1 meter or 90 centimeter door frames you can buy, so I had to make the frame by myself. Now this step is like the most disgusting step and job you can ever do in such a building. Putting the wool in its place, holding it there, cutting it, and you know, it's just a really ass material, which is necessary, but anybody who worked with that kind of material knows what I'm talking about. Well, the rest of the build is just kind of self-explanatory. Depending on how thick the wall is, the concrete wall and your whole plasterboard and the wool and everything, you may use a vapor barrier or not. It's really up to you, and I used a calculation tool which told me that I should use one. Now here I'm cutting out an outlet for the airflow, which is going to be going inside the workshop and outside the workshop. Now you could ask me why I decided to do this kind of build. I started from the bottom up to 1 meter with plasterboards, then I changed the material to OSB, wood, and then the rest of the top is plasterboards again. And you have every right to question this. And the reason why I made this way of build is I wanted a more stable material there where I could hang up shelves and stuff, but I didn't want to use this OSB for the whole walls because I didn't like the look, and later on I will plaster it anyway. That's probably not the best way to do it, but I've done it and it's working. Alright, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video anytime soon.